Hi, my name is Beth Campbell, and I am a CBD advocate and a hemp work success coach. I want to welcome you. I like to say that everyone deserves to know, everyone deserves to feel better. I'm so happy that someone shared CBD with you, and I'm excited for you to incorporate this in your life. So I want to share with you some helpful tips about making the most of your CBD. Okay, first thing to know is it's really easy to take. So you're going to shake it up. You're going to start with a small serving. Okay, I would say less than a fourth dropper to start with. Or if you want to count drops, like in front of a mirror, 3 to 5 drops. Okay, you're going to put it under your tongue. Okay, and then let it be under your tongue for 30 to 60 seconds. Okay, and then swallow it. Easy as that. So you want to do this, like I said, low and slow. Start with either that less than fourth of a dropper, okay, twice a day, or I'd say 3 to 5 drops if you are in front of the mirror and counting. Okay. Then after about 7 days at that serving size, then if you're looking for more benefits, go ahead and add a couple 3 drops. Okay. But you want to do this low and slow because the thing to know about CBD is less is more. You know, for some folks, and honestly, most of my customers, they land on 6 to 10 drops twice a day. Okay, so that way you're only taking as much as you need, and your body can use it most effectively that way. Okay, so again, consistency is key. I'd say twice a day. I like mine right when I get up in the morning, and then I like mine about 30 minutes before I go to bed. Some folks do incorporate a midday serving. So if you feel like you can benefit from that, again, keep your serving sizes low to start with. And figure out what it is your body needs. Listen to your body. It will tell you. It will help you find what we call the sweet spot. Okay. Everyone's serving size is very unique. So that low and slow is going to help you get where you want to go. Okay. So like I said, consistency is key. Another key to success is patience. Okay. Some of you are going to find that within a few days you start feeling better. Others, it's going to take longer. Okay. It's taken a while for us to get our bodies in the shape it's in. So just make sure you're giving it time. You know, CBD is feeding those receptors, okay, those endocannabinoid receptors. And, you know, by giving it time to do what it's supposed to do, okay, sometimes that might be up to 6 to 8 weeks. I have a few customers who it did take almost that first 2 months, but then they started really feeling benefits. So it will pay off. Okay, so consistency and patience. Hydration is really important. It's always important, but it's going to work most effectively for you if you're well hydrated. And then finally, okay, have a backup bottle. Because what you're probably going to find is you're going to start feeling better. And if you run out, you run the risk of backpedaling, right? And not feeling as good. So I encourage you, go ahead and order early because it takes about 5 to 7 business days from the time you order to get your product. So having it on hand will really pay off. Plus, somebody in your household is probably going to want to share it with you. And then you can share it with someone you love if you have more of that CBD. So I hope this was helpful. Please know if you have questions or concerns, go back to the person that shared this product with you. Okay, they are your CBD advocate and success coach, and they are happy to answer your questions. We are all passionate about what we do, and we are here to help you. Okay, so I am wishing you hope, health, and happiness, and I am so happy that you are on this journey. So thanks so much, and take care.